Good day and welcome to your daily news digest. In business and finance news, a surprising move from Berkshire Hathaway has caught the attention of investors. The Warren Buffett-led firm, typically known for investing in stalwart companies, has purchased a stake in Alphabet. While this appears to be a venture into the cutting-edge field of quantum computing, the move is seen as consistent with Berkshire's strategy, as Alphabet remains a proven business with strong, reliable cash flows. Turning to retail, Kohl's stock is showing signs of a promising turnaround. After a difficult first half of 2025 that included poor quarterly results and a CEO scandal, shares surged due to meme stock enthusiasm. The gains have largely held, supported by better-than-expected results that suggest the company's recovery plan is taking shape, with analysts suggesting a new rally could be on the horizon. Highlighting the power of long-term investment, the performance of Nvidia's stock over the last decade is staggering. Due to its dominant position as a leading supplier of graphics processing units critical for artificial intelligence, an investment of $10 million in the company 10 years ago would have grown to a truly shocking amount today, demonstrating how a single winning stock can generate life-changing wealth. However, not all comeback stories are convincing investors. Despite a bullish outlook from CEO Adam Aron, who predicts the highest-grossing fourth-quarter box office in 6 years, there is considerable skepticism about AMC Entertainment's recovery. One analyst notes they will not be buying into the company's bullish pep talk, citing underlying concerns that temper the optimistic forecasts for the movie theater chain. For retirees, a new report offers guidance on navigating a bear market. The prospect of living on savings during a market downturn is a major fear for investors, as it poses a risk of permanently damaging retirement income. The report stresses that with proper knowledge and a clear plan, retirees can manage the risks, avoid fear-based decisions, and successfully protect their nest eggs through market volatility. From Investors Business Daily, the medical sector is showing significant strength. Eli Lilly is among 5 hot medical stocks recently added to prominent growth stock watchlists, including the IBD 50. In related news, Amgen is also shining as the medical sector appears to benefit from a sector rotation, with several stocks showing solid entry points despite a choppy overall market. On the broader markets, the Dow Jones led a rally on Friday as the stock market fought back, but major indexes still suffered weekly losses. The rebound was fueled by hopes of a Federal Reserve rate cut. Looking ahead to the holiday week, investors are focused on upcoming retail sales data and earnings from companies like Alibaba. Meanwhile, Dow component travelers hit an all-time high following strong results. Turning to international affairs, envoys for former President Trump have reportedly issued an ultimatum to Ukraine, demanding the nation sign a U.S.-Russia peace deal by Thursday. The hardline message was delivered during a meeting in Kyiv and has sparked alarm among European allies. The proposed plan is being analyzed as part of a cynical, deal-making approach to foreign policy that critics suggest would be a capitulation to Moscow. In other news, as claims over rising autism diagnoses gain a presidential platform, author Simon Baron-Cohen is pushing back against talk of an epidemic. He explains that such framing is misguided and calls for greater recognition that autism comes in different forms, arguing against the politicization of the condition and for a more nuanced understanding. From India's financial markets, the alternative investment sector is experiencing a massive boom. Portfolio management services and alternative investment funds now manage over 23 lakh crore rupees, fueled by affluent and institutional investors. This remarkable growth has pushed these investment avenues into the mainstream for wealth management in the country. In corporate actions, shares for HDFC Asset Management Company and Thyrocare Technologies are set to trade ex-bonus next week. HDFC AMC is offering a 1-for-1 bonus share, while Thyrocare is providing a 2-for-1 bonus issue. The record dates are set for November 26th and 28th, respectively, to determine shareholder eligibility. And finally, gold prices ended a volatile week with a 1% gain. The Indian rupee's record low against the US dollar is creating new challenges for traders. Experts anticipate continued volatility, as strong US jobs data has reduced expectations for a December rate cut from the Federal Reserve, impacting global sentiment on the precious metal. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.